In the hood, you earn your stripes. Like Olympics got gold medal. But none of that mean nothing to me. I'll celebrate with my family.
What did it do, YouTube? It's your boy, King Jet. And we back in the kingdom once again on Joystick. Now, sorry y'all been out. Again, you know if I've been out, you know the reason why schoolwork didn't caught up. I got caught up on my schoolwork. But, we gonna move past that. We gonna worry about that later. But we gonna hop into this video. Now, we got this through the Instagram DMs. I'm just gonna let it just keep going. As long as y'all keep fucking with it, I keep fucking with it. Subscribers keep going, views keep going, likes, stay on the positive side. Shit, I'm gonna keep fucking with it. But for right now, I got this video through the Instagram DM. Of course, the name is Nahree Biggins. I think that's how you say his name. Yes. Dude has a lot of offers. He's a sophomore, and that's all I know. And he's from New Jersey, of course. Most of y'all is from New Jersey. But let's hop into this. Hop into these vitals. So as y'all can see, my man's a wide receiver, free safety, 6 foot 175. Nice, very nice for a sophomore. 4'6", 40. Again, nice for a sophomore. Yeah, as I look at all these stats, very magnificent for 54 in the 400. That's nice. That's nice. That's nice. Squat. That's nice. Deadlift. Again, I ain't deadlift. You know, deadlift. That's not for me. That's not for me. That's for That's just not for me. Clean. That's nice. And then obviously a sophomore. But let's go ahead and hop in. Let's see what we talking about. Now he didn't tell me which one to react to, but I'm guessing it's this one, this 5K video. That's the one we gonna react to because that's the latest one, and they got more heat flames next to it. So that's the one we gonna react to. There you go with that Fortnite. This man had over 1,000 yards of all-purpose. That's something serious. Something serious. He one-hand interception? Oh, wrong dude. Wrong dude. Wrong dude. I thought this man went back like Troy P and picked that off. Okay, yeah, wrong dude. Where we at? Playing wide receiver. Well, you're just sweet. It is. Cross up. Boy. Dropped the dude to his knees. He dropped him to his knees. He dropped him to his knees. Come on now, y'all. Come on. Come on. We not even a full minute into the highlight film. We dropping dudes to his knees. I think this might be some free safety clips. Pick. Diving pick. Watch. Yep. Diving pick. Jailbait screen. Or wide receiver mid screen. Dang, put him to his knees. Dude can roll. The dude can roll. Yeah, the dude can fly. Offers already by a sophomore and by some varsity. He will be up there. He will be up there. I don't know why both teams are wearing dark jerseys. Stuck it in the ground and go again. My man got some moves on him. Maybe you're playing like a joystick. Burnt him. Gone. More state film. Touchdown. Ooh, dude got clobbered. I saw that. It looked like that was a design play. No. Oh. Did he hashtag scoop and scored? He hashtag scoop and scored. He hashtag scoop and scored. Run him over. Run him over. Ooh. I was gonna run him over on this. You know, if I'd ran him over, I'd have ran him over and just stood over top of him. You gotta have the savage in you. When you have the savage in you and run him over and just stand over top of him, then that's a spin. That's a nice spin too. Ran over and just have the savage in you. If it's a pass, why don't the dudes go out and... he just scored on some Madden bull. That's some stuff you see on Madden. Get in there, that's touchdown. They might not be touchdown. Cut it off early. Quarterback still threw it. Still caught it, still scored. Nothing wrong with these quarterbacks now these days. Gone. Not even being called. He about to be called. Oh, you can't get called. Oh. Yeah, he wasn't down. Okay, okay. Good thing he put that. Ooh. that was nice. That was nice. I'll give it to him. That was nice. Push him in. Push him in. The fact that everybody literally just staying like, instead of going trying to go get him and not make him go in the end zone and just stand there watching him. Big dude. Big dude can't make the play. The screen. Yep. That was a nice throw by the quarterback. Putting it right over number 30's head. Because if it was just a direct throw, just give me that. Would have went back to the crib. Ooh. Yeah, they getting hyped on the sideline because they know my man doing them dirty. No. Oh, there's a lot of flags on the field. You know what? I got to take him back. But if he scores... Oh, if he would have scored, there would have been something spectacular. Would have been something spectacular. We got block, chip, boom. Yep, steer him down. That's a little boy. That's a little boy. Steer him down. Still got two people technically. Ooh, I hate them plays. Bro, he straight pancaked him. He straight pancaked him. Strip it. How do I guess this stuff? Wait, did he blow somebody up? He stripped that too? Dang. I would have took him straight on. Cause I know he wasn't gonna lower his shoulder. Like, quarterbacks have no juke moves. Nice tip. Quarterbacks have no juke moves. They will not try to run you over. They're trying to get to that sideline, and you can beat them before you get to that sideline. Smack them. Just smack them. Because there won't be a late hit. It won't be unnecessary roughness. It's just gonna let that quarterback know if you gonna start running outside that pocket and go up the field. We gonna be here. That's a big running back. That's a way to take down a big running back. That's the way down to take down a big ass running back. This dude is nice. I can see why he got offers. He's pretty nice. Run that lane. Yup. Yep, sprint over there. Yep, and post him up. Sprint over there and post him up. Pick. Oh, that was a nice catch. Incomplete. Oh, I was about to say that'd have been a nice catch. I know the running back thought he was gone on that one. Running back thought he was gone. Look, come run that lane. Run that lane. Run that lane. Run the lane. Ooh. Okay, he got him on that one. That was a nice move by that quarterback. He got him on that one. That was a real nice move by that quarterback. Probably about to be hawked. I get weak when these running backs think they about to score. Come get hawked real quick, and then they just running, just throwing the hand back, the little bitch stiff arm back, trying to get them away from you. Yeah, bro, that first cut he has is just crazy quick, lethal too. Wide open. Yeah, that was a bad throw by the quarterback. If you'd have threw it on the money, that would have been touchdown. But somebody was not in their zone. Crackback? Oh, you got to get a crackback on that. Must be pink. I'm out there wearing pink. Dang. Oh, this is very last. I'm like, this is a long highlight film. Alright, that's gonna do it for, bro. I always do that. What's his name? Nahree. Yep, Nahree Biggins. That's gonna do it for Nahree Biggins. Dude's a sophomore from New Jersey. He has a nice, decent amount of offers. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Again, I'm still, Instagram DMs is open. Hit me up on Twitter too. One dude hit me up on Twitter. I will be doing his video too. One dude hit me on Twitter. Hit me up on Twitter. And Snapchat. I think everything is down in my description. Just go look that up. But again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna try to get back to these videos, but you know, schoolwork is here. Schoolwork is coming. But we out.
I got the cash in my pocket right now, and it's folded up, ain't got no wallet. I order Ace and speed, cause when I pull up, I drink out the